Yes. This probable cause arrest? Yes. Probable cause. The amount and quality of information a judge must have before signing a warrant allowing the police, yes, to conduct a search or arrest of a suspect. Yes. If the police have presented reliable information that convinces the judge that it's more likely than not a crime has occurred, yes, suspect involved, the judge will conclude there is probable cause. Yes. Now, the probable cause arrest where you allege that I was in Sequim, Washington when I was in Port Angeles, Washington. Do you not realize that not allowing me any due process because that fucking thing is not judicial process and not having any jurisdiction of law to require a mental health evaluation after my record was expunged? Yes. Every time you put mental health evaluation, you had no jurisdiction of law. And every time you arrested me, you had no jurisdiction of law. Now, I'm going to sue the Swin Police Department, every officer. And when I informed Officer Rick Larson during the interview, yes, I wasn't in Sequim, Washington on December 31st of 2015. You continue to enforce a protection order that is not judicial process because you do not have the legal right to obligate a mental health evaluation and treatment if recommended in number 9 of the conditions of the protection order. Now, you cannot use as justification the concept of me not getting a job. I do not have to be employed to have the guaranteed rights of being an American citizen. You can't use the excuse that I'm homeless because I can choose to live where I want. Now, I want every officer in Sequim, Washington to realize that when you made up some bullshit about me about this, and I'd already informed you on November 15th of 2015, yes, that the petitioner didn't sign it, yes, I was not given any due process, and it was issued for 10 years without an actual incidence of domestic violence. You had no legal right to issue that fucking thing. Now, when you issued it for 10 years, it's kidnapping. Pow, pow. Now, I want every officer that thinks that they're the big fucking dick right now to know that I'm going to put every one of you in prison. Now, if you had given me notice of court hearings, I could have explained to the court commissioner, yes, I have no criminal record. My record's been expunged, and my wife is not a victim. Pouch! But instead, you had to be total fucking dicks. So I want the Sequim Police Department to understand, okay, that there was no probable cause arrest because there couldn't be a probable cause arrest because I wasn't in that city. Yes, you didn't have a valid judicial process and you had no legal reason to issue a protection order. Now, I'm going to want to take all your assets. So what sergeant said, well, he has no money, Poach. Are you sure the Sequim Police Department doesn't want to pay for my hotel room? Because I'm going to completely fuck over that city for every asset that you